To open safe mode on Redmi A5, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you will have to turn off your phone, so you can do this either by pressing and holding the power button or simultaneously pressing the power button and volume up button, and this will turn on the power menu. From here, press power off button to turn off your phone, and from here you have to wait a couple of seconds to make sure that the phone is completely turned off. After that, to enter the safe mode, what you have to do is simply press and hold the power button until the Xiaomi logo appears, and after this Xiaomi logo appears, you have to instantly release the power button and press and keep on holding the volume down button until the phone will vibrate and will enter the safe mode. So let me just quickly show you how you can do this. I recommend you to do this with two hands right here, and this will work for sure. So for now, press and hold to turn on your phone. And now, after the phone vibrates and appears the Xiaomi logo appears, you have to release the power button and press and hold the volume down button and keep on holding until the phone turns on. And you have to keep on holding, just hold this, and right after the phone should vibrate and it should enter. Oh, right now it just vibrated. You can release this volume down button, and now the phone entered safe mode. And as you can see on the bottom left corner, there is this safe mode text, which means we just managed to enter the safe mode.